Hello, my brave sketcher, on my 12th episode of April's show, Urban Sketching Big Adventure. And you know that we are already almost completed the dozen of different city objects. Who could imagine that it will happen so soon? And as today is Sunday, and we are going to have very short, very, easy practice. I just want to tell you a couple of words about our yesterday's experience when we were drawing some sketches from our own references. And I suppose that maybe you could have this feeling that you have found some beautiful scenery, some interesting location, and started to draw not just one window, but the whole scene. And to the end of your sketch, you could have this feeling that you are not satisfied that much, that the scene doesn't look like it was in your imagination, and so on. And you feel this frustration, but I encourage you to not to give up, not to worry about this exact sketch. If your sketch doesn't look like it was in your imagination, it is normal process of learning, especially in drawing, because it is a complicated process. And it happens all the time. It is a normal part of this learning process and developing your skills. And this is why we are gathered together here and have everyday workout. It meant to adjust our skills and even our vision. So don't worry, and we will continue with our sketching practice. As I told you, Today we will have very short practice because everyone would like to have fun and relax on weekends. So I encourage you, when you not feel very good, when you're not in the mood or you are busy, try not to skip your practice as we decided to have here. Maybe I will do it this way. I encourage you to do this brief practice, only, 3 or 5 minutes. It will be better for you and for your brain not to skip it completely. Of course, sometimes we have the situation when we don't have any time and don't have any mood to do it. But normally, we still can find 5 minutes to draw. And today is the day when we are going to draw only 5 minutes. And after that, we will just stop. And for sketching, it is absolutely, completely normal. Don't worry about how completed is your sketch, because sketch is better when it is not completed. It is my opinion, but we will work on it. So our today's topic is fire hydrant, and I'm going to set a timer for 5 minutes exactly, and after that we will be free. We will done with this project for today. So let's start. What we have, just to grab this, today it will not be the speed paint, so I encourage you to grab some speed materials and to draw it boldly and quickly. And even if you don't like the proportions, you can, if you are drawing digitally, you can easily change the size, and I think that it is not a problem at all. So if you need it, just do it. The important part is that we are involving in this process and we don't skip a day, we are continuing our research. Looks like this, something interesting shapes. I have chosen this 3/4 aspect of it because we can understand the shape better with this approach, not when we see from just front view, but 3/4 is better for me. So I need to make it more, draw it more quickly, because we have only 3 minutes. So do it boldly, and I suppose that I finish with the shape, and I will choose my favorite red, and I color in this sketchy manner when I don't color everything, just give an idea. I like this approach because it looks very vivid and emotional. I just like this style. What else? We would like to add some drop in shadow. And some light parts in this project. I decided to draw light parts with this pinkish color. It was my choice, but not necessary for you to repeat after me. And after that we will add a little bit of shadows and we will be finished for today. So convenient when you have prepared color palette in advance. I like it so much. Cover the darkest parts of our sketch. Maybe in some places it is even darker, when we can take this color of the contour of our picture. And we have 40 seconds until we finish, so if you want to add some details, just remember that we have so less time here, but it's not a problem at all. For quick sketches, maybe it is even better when we don't have enough time to do everything. And really, I like this sketch. It looks very vivid and even provocative. So 4 seconds to go, and that's it. So we have done for today. It was very easy, very quickly, as I think, and I encourage you to practice such quick sessions when you don't have much time. Don't skip your practice. Just do something what you can afford, and our 12th sketch is ready. After this video, I will make, when I will finish with this video, I will make a special post in my free Telegram channel where I put my today's sketch, and you can go there and observe it in details. The link will be in the description of this video. And if you'd like to show me your own sketch from today's practice, you can upload it there in my Telegram channel in the comments to that post. So I would like to observe your today's results of your practice and give you a couple of words of encouragement and maybe a little of feedback. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for spending this short time with me, 10 minutes. And I hope that this practice is interesting and useful for you. And I will see you on our next video tomorrow. And our next topic, I would like to announce it. It will be a little bit more complicated. The view of beautiful window with balcony. So find your reference and tomorrow we will draw it. And try to find something beautiful, something interesting for you, something what maybe reflects your individuality. So see you there and have a wonderful Sunday. Bye bye.